Why bowling? My mom took me bowling when I was 4 years old, and it's just become a lifelong passion for me, and I was instantly hooked.
There's just so many different styles. There's so many different ways to stand, ways to throw. You get the ability to actually do something the way you want without having to follow the rules that everybody wants you to follow. I mean, I guess it started kind of when the first ball I used to shoot 300 cracked, and I didn't want to throw it away, but I didn't want to have a cracked bowling ball laying around. So I decided to make a ring out of it, and it took off from there. I had a bunch of people that were interested in it, and spent 2 years just kind of playing around with it and trying to perfect it, and eventually TikTok became a thing, and threw a video on there and 30,000 views in one day. It kind of took off from there, and now we're going big time with it, I hope.